lovely people. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And you know what? Let me know below in the box and leave a comment or two. I'd really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be all about the Too Faced Enchanted Beauty Foxy Naturals. This is the limited edition makeup kit. It's 3 pieces and it's for the holidays. This is for holiday 2020. This is reminiscent of the, Christmas in Paris and Christmas in New York that they did a couple years ago, which they didn't do last year, which I was really disappointed. But this one's out there, and this one is the Foxy Naturals. This is $36. As I said, it's a 3-piece set. And here is the beautiful box it comes in. And as I said, you get 3 pieces. You're going to get a travel size right here, Damn Girl mascara, which is really nice size. I love the packaging on this. It's really good. And the makeup, the mascara is really nice, so I'm happy with it. It's not up there with better than sex, but it's up there. So let's talk about the right here. Here is the 12 shade eyeshadow palette. It is Smell-O-Rama, which you know I love, and it smells like a Christmas cookie. So let's take a peek. Let me get the protective off of this right there. And here are the colors. Isn't this just gorgeous? This is free of parabens, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Each one of these pans is 0.03 ounces or 0.9 grams. This is just incredible. Look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Then let's go take some swatches here. And let's see, Better Not Pout. Ooh, that's going to be pretty as a, a base. And then we have Claus out, Santa Claus. And then the next one is Oh What Fun. So here's the colors. Better Not Pout, Claus Not, Oh What Fun. And let me put it here. Look at that. Really nice. And then we have Last Christmas. Ooh, that's pretty. And then we've got Lady Bells. Whoa, this one's out there. It's a little bit gritty. It has a lot of glitter in it. It's called Lady Bells. And then we have Ginger Snatched right there. Last Christmas, Lady Bells, Ginger Snatched. There we are. This one right here, Last Christmas, it's a nice little matte, but it's not really showing up. But it's really like kind of a salmony taupe, but it's nice. It's a little bit patchy, but that's okay. Then let's go to the next row. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, this is Elfed Up, Jingle Jangle, and Cookie Butter. Oh, that cookie butter, what a beautiful shimmer. Here it is, Elfed Up, Jingle Jangle, Cookie Butter. And here we go. Wow, look at that. This is a naturals kind of palette, so they tell you up front, so there's no question about it. And then the last row is Chimney, which is a nice matte brown. Then we've got Drummer Girl, excuse me, which is a nice dark brown. And then Lump of Coal, you know what color that is. There we are. And we got Chimney, Drummer Girl, and Lump of Coal. So let's see if I can find a place. Let's try here. Not too bad, not too bad. So that's really pretty. Those swatches, as you know, they only tell half the story, but at least you get a hint of it. And the color, the smell of the cookie is not that strong whatsoever. A lot of people are offended by it, or they just don't think it's just too sweet for them. But this one I think is really nice, and it's just an ever so hint of it. So like other years, it was overwhelming where you just opened up the palette and you could put, you know, you smell it, and then when you put it on, you get a little whiff of it, which I personally like. But this one's a nice soft, you know, kind of aroma. So that's beautiful. Then we have this little guy right here. This is the blush and highlighter. And there's two colors here. And look at that. Oops. Let me get the little... There's no mirror on this, which is kind of interesting, but for a set at $36, I think this is really beautiful. The blush is called Here for the Hose, right there up top, and then the highlighter down here is Angel Frostbite. Each one is 0.01 ounces, excuse me, 0.1 ounces or 3 grams each. This is travel size. Really pretty. Let's take a swipe of this blush. There it is. And let me put it on the back of my hand. That's a nice soft color. I would say it's more of like a peachy pink. And it would really go good on all skin types. I really do. And this highlighter, let's see how this does. Ooh. That does have a shimmer to it. Look at that. So let's go over what you get in this, you know, this little kit. I think it's really beautiful. As I said, it's free of parabens, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. It's a 3-piece set. You can mix it up. You can give it away. You can, you know, keep it in the box and give it as a beautiful gift, or gift each one separately. You know, do the stocking stuffers or whatever the case may be. But I think this is just a beautiful. And I was so looking forward to these. And when I saw this, I thought it was amazing. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. And you know what? You have a fabulous one, and take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.